Summary of key changes in Venezuelan hydrocarbon law. Operational management. Previous, mostly reserved for the state. Reform can be exercised entirely by the private partner. Marketing. Previous, state monopoly, PDVSA. Reform, exceptional authorization for private direct marketing. Royalties. Previous fixed at 30%. Reform flexible. Litigation. Previous national courts can be reduced to 15% depending on viability. Reform. Independent arbitration and mediation. Foreign exchange management. Previous centralized controlled. Reform accounts in any currency and jurisdiction. Summary of the hydrocarbons law reform. Nature and control of joint ventures. Mixed ownership companies. Majority participation by the Republic. Granting shareholder control. Contract operating companies. Private companies domiciled in Venezuela through contracts with subsidiaries of the Republic. Operational management, joint ventures. The minority shareholder may be authorized to exercise technical and operational management or through specialized third parties. Contract operating companies. The operator assumes comprehensive management of the activities at its sole cost, expense, and risk. Marketing, joint ventures. The minority shareholder may be authorized to market directly if the price exceeds that achieved by state-owned companies. Contract operating companies. Remuneration consists of a percentage of the production volumes which they may market directly. Financial management, joint ventures. They may open and manage bank accounts in any currency and jurisdiction for the administration of funds. Contract operating companies. The Republic and its subsidiaries do not assume financial commitments or debts arising from these operations. Tax regime minimums. Joint ventures. The royalty can be reduced by up to 15%, and the extraction tax also by up to 15%. Contract operating companies. The royalty can be reduced by up to 20%, and the extraction tax by up to 20%. Economic guarantee, joint ventures. The economic financial equilibrium factor must be ensured until the return on investment is achieved. Contract operating companies. Contracts may include clauses for restoring economic financial equilibrium. Duration and extensions, joint ventures. Maximum of 25 years. Renewable for a period not exceeding 15 years. Contract operating companies. Duration established in the contract. The Republic always retains ownership of the deposits. Reversion of assets. Joint ventures. The assets must be returned to the Republic upon expiration of the rights without compensation. Contract operating companies, newly incorporated assets, they must be transferred to the Republic at the end of the contract at no cost.